back, everyone. Mike here. I just got home from work a few minutes ago, and I hopped on the excavator, spread some more topsoil there along the driveway behind the new building, and then I had to come down to my mom's place anyway, so I came down through the woods, nice and dry, and I figured I'd bring the tractor down and just touch up her driveway real quick while I have the land plane on. And it is a beautiful day though, but tomorrow they are calling for some rain. I think up to an inch of rain tomorrow. So the next couple days we'll be working inside the building. But while it's nice like this, we are definitely outside. I think what I'm going to do, once I stop here and see my mom, I'm going to go up and split a little bit of firewood. We got a whole bunch of little things we're going to get into tonight. But before I forget, I wanted to mention we've got more mugs available on our website. Everybody that got them before really liked them, but we got more of them in stock. There'll be a link in the description for that. And we also got a bunch more stickers as well. So if you're interested in that, check it out. So I haven't graded this driveway since, I'm guessing last fall. And what you see there is just after 3 passes with the land plane. These are a great attachment if you have a stone driveway. This is a pretty heavy duty one. It's the Land Pride GS 2572 6-footer. Works great. I also use it quite often for spreading new stone, like behind the new building. If you watched that video the other day, I use it in reverse quite a bit as well. You know what else is really nice about a land plane? It's probably one of, if not the easiest attachment to use and get good results out of. Once it's adjusted properly, you can just sit in a seat, drop it on the ground, and go. Matter of fact, it is a great attachment if you just want to get some seat time on your tractor on a Saturday morning. You can go out there, touch up your driveway. You don't have to put much thought into it, and it comes out perfect. Melissa just told me she doesn't like how I have the steering wheel adjusted.
No, once again, it's the whole school bus thing, you know.
You like to get up on the wheel though.
I need to take Hunter for a spin in this.
Yeah. You ready for bed, Melissa?
I am.
What time did you get up today?
4:15.
4:15. Then we made the mistake of feeding Archie at 4:30 instead of 6:30. And he was off by 2 hours all day today.
Yeah. Whew. Yeah.
It's about 7:15 right now, 7:20. Still light out. Pretty nice. But I mentioned earlier to them that we've got mugs again.
Yeah.
I mentioned the video. Don't forget to check that out.
Yeah, if you're interested, go to the website.
Yeah. Well, I'll show you something this wood here real quick. So this right here, that's locust. I think that may be my new favorite wood. Split's nice. That's a good hot burning wood. We don't have locust this big here. This was part of that load that I bought.
Was it?
Yeah, that was a big one.
You know, I was saying to myself, like, what in the world was that? You pulled that out of. Okay.
Yeah, we never have that. And this is some maple here. And then this is my least favorite. This is that elm that's real stringy. You ever smell this stuff, Melissa?
I don't want to smell it.
Yeah, you don't want to smell it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's another basket. These big ones hold a little over 1/3 of a cord stacked in there like this.
Or they're smaller baskets than this.
Yeah, they have shorter ones.
Oh.
But the other day, I saw these ones that are like real thick-walled plastic that all fold down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be the next new thing. But I saw those on a job the other day. They're pretty hard to get your hands on, but I got my eye open for them. You know, you could put a whole truckload. They fold down to about, I don't know, a foot tall.
Really?
The sides flip up. They're real heavy duty.
I've been working with Lego on a few of these too, so.
There you go. That's what we need.
Made out of Legos, and then you just take the excavator and smash them.
There you go. Yeah, I can tell your eyes. You look a little sleepy. You want to wrap this video up and we can go up and eat dinner and go to bed.
All right. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you being here. And check out our website if you want to get an Outdoors with the Morgans mug. But make sure you're subscribed. Click the bell icon next to it. We'll give you notifications when Outdoors with the Morgans publishes a video.
And don't forget to check out your channel.
Yeah, check out Morgans Off the Leash. If you're looking for just downright pure entertainment, go to Morgans Off the Leash. You will be surprised. And thanks so much for being here, and comment down below. We'll see you on the next one.